My name is Indrila. So I got to know about Dontia last year. I was planning for my BDS, and after a lot of research I got to know about Dontia from Instagram. So I took the risk of coming here, but I was just surprised to see the hospitality of Dr. P.A. Sethi and the staff. I really had a great experience, like a pleasant experience with Dontia. Previously, I was a little skeptical about my treatment, but after coming to this place, the doctor, especially P.A. Sethi sir, he has explained all the procedure like in a very good way, and I was very much confident for my treatment. So it's been like 1 year. I got my BDS done, and it is absolutely perfect. I have come here today for my a yearly checkup, and I'm very happy with the experience. And also I have recommended many of my friends and relatives. They are also doing their treatments here. I would like to thank Dontia Dental Clinic for the great treatment, and I'm very happy with my experience here. Thank you.